Hi, it's Andy, and today I want to talk to you about branding you. Have you got a brand? Why should you have one, and how can you get one? We're going to help you with that. I've been inspired to talk about this subject through the people that we've been talking to. During COVID, we offered 200 people #CoronaKindness free coaching without consultants, without coaches, to talk about to use this time in COVID for them to reflect and think about where they're going and how they're doing. And there was a resounding theme that came through. After talking to my team, over 80% of the people that we spoke to were looking for help with their brand, looking for help with their future and their career. I was also lucky enough to catch up with a lovely erstwhile friend and mentor, somebody that helped me start this journey, Paul Van Castren, someone that has spent his career successfully helping people and leaders build their brand. He is the expert. I'm now pleased to tell you he's hung up his commercial hat and he's investing his time in helping younger people as they start their career, as they start to build their brand. Good for you, Paul. Thanks for your help. Why is it important? Right, we could spend hours here talking about the big household brands, couldn't we? Apple, Google, Coca-Cola, Walt Disney. How did they do it? They spent billions on it, right? They employed thousands of people, thousands of partners to help them build their brand, and they guard it with their lives. They guard their reputation ferociously, don't they? How much time have you spent on your brand? How much have you invested into your brand? How many people have you recruited on your marketing campaign? Probably not so much, right? So why is it so important? When our parents and our grandparents started out in life, they went to work for a company and they were pretty much guaranteed a job for life. And when they left, they got a pension. Imagine that. Nowadays, it's a rare commodity that you can go somewhere and get guaranteed longevity, guaranteed loyalty, isn't it? Typically, we move around these days, don't we? We move around every 3 to 5 years, typically, and the average employee is change affected twice a year. New boss, new team, new strategy. So you have to stand out. Just delivering is not an option. So many people that I coach say, Andy, I stay out of the politics. I keep away from the stakeholders. I just keep my head down and do my work. It's not enough. You're assuming they're watching you. You have to be distinct or potentially extinct. Right? How do you stand out? What is your brand? What do people say about you when you're not there? Are you confident about your brand? Confident people are more successful, statistically true. Confident people make more money. If you just keep your head down and just deliver, you probably won't earn as much money. You probably won't make as much difference or make as much impact. You have to stand out. Now, I know what you're thinking. Andy, I don't want to be inauthentic. I don't want to be a sycophant. I don't want to be a creep. Well, then don't. Don't be inauthentic. Be smart, right? Engage the right people. You don't have to toot your own horn. People tell me, Andy, I don't want to toot my own horn. Toot other people's. If you promote people in your team, your peers, your boss, that actually builds your brand. What do they say? Carpenters bend wood, Fletchers bend arrows, wise folk fashion themselves. You are the storyteller of your life. Can you tell the story of a legend? What is it that you're going to say about yourself or others are going to say about you? It's up to you. There's 4 areas that we want to focus on when you're trying to build your brand. The first one is self-awareness. You have to start with you. Who are you? What do you stand for? What do you believe in? What have you done? Who's inspired you? What do people say about you? What's your persona versus the inside? All of those questions. That's the first place you start with when you talk about brand. Then we're going to help you think about your future. Where is it you want to get to? Where are your dreams? What is the art of the possible? What's your potential? Then you do the gap analysis, right? Where's the gap? Where's the development? Where's the rich fruit of my development that if I work on that, I can meet that future, I can build that brand. And the last part is the fun part, what it is for me, it's the campaign. It's how you market your brand authentically and professionally. We're going to help you with those 4 areas, okay? So what we want you to do is there's a link that takes you to our website. Click on that, subscribe to the website, then you won't miss the next 4 videos that I'm going to send out that's going to cover those subjects. So start thinking about that. Start looking in the mirror, start talking to your friends and family about your brand, and we're going to help you improve it. We're going to help you amplify it. But for now, Andy Kelly, CEO, Sundial Consulting. Goodbye. We hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please share it with your friends and let us know with a like or a comment. But more importantly, please subscribe on the button below. And also, if you really don't want to miss out on any of our great insights from me and my team, please also click the little bell. Okay, we look forward to speaking to you soon. For now, Andy Kelly, Sundial Consulting. Thank you.